I'm Bob Goff with Muddy River News. I'm with Aaron Kirchhoff, General Manager of Kohl Wholesale, and Bradley Darnell, the Corporate Executive Chef for Kohl Wholesale. And while I'm always excited to be in the Kohl Cash and Carry showroom at 140 Main, I am more excited that I get to say chicky parm parm. We're doing chicken parmesan today,
That
boys.
is what we're making, some chicken parmesan today, yep.
And a nice piece of chicken there. You're going to walk us through the process. And of course, Aaron, all the ingredients you can get right here at Cash and Carry.
All the ingredients, all the food is here, but also there's some really cool. You can buy Thor's.
You're
hammers.
worthy.
I am ready. Like, you can do this.
You are worthy.
You can buy these things at Kohl Wholesale. Amazing. You can't buy these at normal stores,
No,
right?
no.
This is industrial kitchen equipment. Heavy-duty professional chefs use products like this, products like jacquards, products like professional chef knives. You can't get this
And the
stuff at normal-
pans.
and pans, everything like that you can get here at the Kohl Wholesale Cash and Carry showroom. Also, these are look like really fancy black bowls. They're actually plastic. They're actually disposable. You need this stuff when you're gonna have a big party, when you're gonna have a big catering, you're gonna have a big backyard barbecue.
That's right.
You're gonna have a graduation party, and you need your, QHS white and blue or your Notre Dame blue and gold colors. You can get all that stuff here right in our Cash and Carry showroom to match just for your event.
All right, I'm going to let you guys get to
Okay.
working on this chicken parm.
All right. So we are going to start off always with the hot pan. We're going to get our oil nice and hot. One thing I want to talk about is the jacquard. Usually, a lot of people use the pounding, like the Thor's hammers, if you will.
You can beat it flat.
Yeah, I want to use this one time and tenderize that. I
ready?
want to, yeah,
So
just
safety first.
Safety
We're gonna
first.
see some metal blades come
That's
out of
right.
the bottom of this thing. This is
yeah.
really
So
good.
jacquard's got a lot of needles in it. What Aaron's going to do is he's going to pound that really hard. Yeah, real hard. What we're trying to do is not to get it to stick. There you go.
About like that?
Yeah, that works.
Beautiful.
Works. So what he did was knock that lobe off that chicken off, so it's more even cooking, right? So
Because if you cook it when it's got a big hump in it, you're going to have one part that's super dry, and the other part's going to be maybe not done all the way.
that's right. So one end will be dry, and
These two tools available at your Kohl Cash and Carry showroom, ready to go.
that's right. So what I did is I didn't use a traditional egg wash. I used that pre-dip.
So instead of just like an egg wash and an egg white, you actually got this off the shelf.
Got that off the shelf. So what it is, it's like it's a pre-dip that replaces egg and milk. So it actually adheres to the product a little bit better when you're talking about breading and stuff like that. I do mix mine a little bit stiffer than what it says on the back.
And you just mix it with water.
Just water.
So it's like pancake mix. You add water only.
Exactly.
But you actually get a breading or, a batter mix to use at home.
Yeah.
So like I don't have to make it on the fly.
No, don't need to make it on the fly.
super cool.
Yeah, and it's you can dip anything you want in there. Appetizers, fish, chicken,
Onion rings.
exactly. Yeah. And what we got is just a regular traditional breadcrumbs there. This is what we got, Italian breadcrumbs. So you're gonna let this cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. And when we get to that point, we're gonna have this nice, beautiful, like that. You see where that? Yeah, boy, was this? It is.
Well done.
So we got that all nice and done up here. And we're going to take some marinara. You can use marinara. Some people use even pizza sauce
So
on here.
obviously you made this from scratch because you're a chef and this is what you do, right?
Right.
So we got this off the shelf. We got the chicken off the shelf. We got the breadcrumbs off the shelf. Can I get pasta sauce off the shelf?
Oh, absolutely.
That's okay,
Absolutely.
right?
Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. You get number 10 can in little small jars if you want.
Okay.
And yeah, that's any marinara if you want it chunky, if you want it thinned out, however you want.
Okay.
Pizza sauce is really good on it.
Great.
Get some good mozzarella cheese to put on top of here. You want that to get nice and bubbly and brown.
Yeah.
Get that nice little melt factor going on. And then we're going to place this right into our oven on broil for about 5 minutes or so.
Nice.
And then once it comes out, we can actually pair this with like Alfredo or your garlic toast,
Okay.
spaghetti, anything you want. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So while we wait for that to cook,
Yeah.
we're going to need to ask some question and answers. That's kind of what you wanted to do, right?
Oh, sure,
We
yeah.
want to play Stump the Chef.
Oh, is this that game here? Oh, okay.
This is
Okay.
the game.
All right.
Just in case you didn't know, this is the game.
This ought to
So
be
while it's
interesting.
cooking, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So Kohl Wholesale was formed officially in
73.
and makes us how old as a company?
Over 150 years.
150 years, 6th-generation family-owned company, just in case you didn't know.
No.
Back in 1873, we were actually a coffee roaster and a grocery distributor, meaning we were shipping alcohol. We were shipping tobacco,
Yeah.
and usually big industrial like bags of flour. And we were actually shipping it up on the Mississippi River, strangely enough, too, up and down. Keokuk down to actually St. Louis. So 150 plus years of being in business. How many employees do we have now?
Right about 100, I'm sorry, not 100, 430.
You were thinking years in service, that's what you were thinking. Over 430 teammates now work in Quincy. Now, we do have some teammates that are scattered throughout the Midwest, over Missouri and Iowa and Illinois. All those great teammates are usually in our sales team, but we have 430 guys and gals that are teammates with us right here in Quincy, Illinois. Brad, how many states do we service? Meaning, you guys have all seen our trucks going up and down the road. Where do those trucks go? How many states do we service?
5. We go to Missouri, Illinois, Iowa,
Yeah.
Indiana, and and then a little bit of Arkansas, I think.
The Arkansas
yeah.
border. And
I think we go to
we
Kansas.
touch Kansas
yes.
as well.
Yeah.
So all those trucks that you see in the Quincy area going around and about, they actually travel that far away every single day. And how many trucks and trailers do we have, Brad? Any idea?
Oh, I have no idea.
No idea? Give
None.
me a guess. Give me a number.
I'm going to say 110.
Ooh, that's a good guess. I think you've been listening. About 125 trucks, 125 trailers. We have about 110 drivers.
Oh, that's
And the
what I
cool
got.
thing about those driver jobs are really unique because most people don't want to be drivers for a living because they don't want to like go to California or go to Maine and like have to be on the road. Those guys and gals, they get to come home every single night. Big perk of working at Kohl Wholesale. Of course, along with getting great food.
Oh, absolutely.
So customers that we service how many customers in the Midwest, do you think?
What, over 4,000?
4,000 customers that we service in the Midwest. All right, Brad, last question.
Okay, I'm ready.
How many donations does Kohl Wholesale give back to the community every single year?
Oh, boy.
You see all the T-shirts, the
Yeah.
sponsorships, and you see us at all these local events.
Baseball
How many of
fields.
those do we have?
A bunch.
Yeah, I have no idea. It's a lot. It's a lot, right? Like,
It
we
is.
have no idea how to really
It is.
measure that. So we do a lot of community impact, and there's a great community event coming up in the next couple of weeks at the Dogwood Parade. We're going to see our new trailer design there too. So you've seen our patriotic trailer, you've seen our fresh fruit produce trailer out there. There's a new design that's going to be laid out, and it talks about the history and heritage of Kohl Wholesale. Well, it shows it really in a trailer, but it also, that's what the theme is for the Dogwood Parade this year. So make sure you go hook up the Dogwood Parade. I think we're ready, bro.
I think we are too. Yeah, let's pull this out. So after you get done broiling it, you want to get that nice little brown texture on it. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Go ahead and get you a nice little spatula. Look at that cheese pool.
That's my size chicken parmesan.
That is too. So we did
It's in my
some,
contract.
we chiffonade some basil for some garnish there. So we can just pile that on there.
That's great.
And we got some forks here. I got a big knife if you guys want to, or if you guys want to just dive in. I don't know what you guys want to do
By
here.
the way, this is the Dogwood Parade coming up, the 56th Dogwood Parade.
56.
56.
And Adams County, how many years?
200 years.
200 years.
200 years. All
Ready?
Go.
Do not stab me.
Go in for it.
Oh.
Let's go in.
Safety first.
Safety first.
How hot is this going to be? Like liquid hot?
It's gonna be hot. Just don't.
Steaming.
Yeah.
Don't
Just
spit.
don't burn your face off.
I think your homemade marinara really makes it.
That's good, isn't it?
Fantastic. Couldn't be any better.
Super easy dish. You see how fast it was. I mean, just
That's tremendous.
Fry it,
That is some
broil it.
tricky part. That is awesome.
love it.
Easy to do at home. All the ingredients are here at the Cash and Carry.
That's right.
Don't forget, Thor's hammer available here as well. Professional knife sets, and also anything you need for this
Go for it.
plate. Beautiful plate, right? But it's plastic, Bob. You can throw it away. That's fancy. You can get that here at the Kohl Cash and Carry Showroom.
My wife makes me do all the dishes, so I really like the fact that I can just throw it away.
Nice. Love it.
You can find this delicious recipe with these two guys are eating right here at the Kohl Cash and Carry showroom, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks.